Good day, Gappers. Today we're going to talk about Western Digital Corp. Let's dive in. This is a fun stock to play. Look at all the lines we've drawn here based on gaps in the chart. Very exciting these past 2 years. I'm going to go back here, zoom in a certain area, and let you see what we're doing here. So again, for those that are new, I draw lines, trend lines from where gaps up occur and gaps down occur. When the gap goes up, you draw a line from the bottom candle, the last candle that was lower than the one that jumped, and go to the right. For when a stock gaps down, like up here, you draw the line at the top last candle before the gap and go to the right. So if you have little small holes here in the charts between candles, those holes need to fill. Missing a line right here. You can see that filled real quick. Some of them go real quick, some of them take a long time. For example, this one took almost a year from this one down here when it gapped up. It created a gap. It took until March to fill that. Each one of these lines represent the gap fill that needs to occur. As you can see, Western Digital tends to hop around a lot, create a lot of gaps. That's good. And they also fill, which can help you in the future determine any future gaps happen, will they fill or not? Well, looking at Western Digital, it looks like to me 100% for the past 2 years of holes that were created all filled, all the gaps filled. This is a good, terrible movement down, but that was March 2020, so what do you expect? So scrolling over to the right, you can draw your trend lines, and even then you can see when it fell from the very top, it filled it. So if you have the ability to hold a stock and swing it and not day trade, this strategy might be good for you. Continuing on over here to the right, you can see that there's a gap that was down here at 41 that has not been filled. Over here to the right, it has not. We'll just go ahead and zoom into the whole section here. This one did fill. Blink. This one filled here, that one filled there. Then it was walked down. So walked down means there's no gaps created. That's not necessarily a good thing. I don't like that. I like to see gaps because I like to trade the gaps. But that's walked down from there, and it did fill these previous gaps. Then it went back up on a little run to 68, 69, and they walked it down to the 40s. Zoom in over here. This gap had already filled. There was no gaps during the walk down. That sucks because that means the price isn't going to go up as high. There was one created here at 55, another one created here at 52. And on the rebound, it gapped up. So that means this one has to fill at some point down here. They went up and filled this gap. They did not fill that one. So now you look at your technicals. You have your MCAD, your RSI, and your stochastic all pointing down, curving down. So is this going to moonshot up to fill 55? I doubt it. Will it go down here and fill 46? Yes. Where am I going to buy? Hard to say. Why do I say that? Because there's a lower gap that needs to get filled all the way to 41. We'll take that all the way over down there. So you can see there's 2 lines that need to get filled right here and right here. Given the current market sentiment, recession coming, bear market, blah, blah, whatever the headlines say. My technicals here tell me we're about to curve down on the MCAD. RSI is remaining weak. Stochastics getting kind of low. It needs to bottom out. We need to see a good trend up. I'm just not seeing any strength here to make us want to go up to 55. So I would wait. If this sucker goes to 46, I'm going to buy it and wait, and I'm going to fill again at 42 or whatever that is. And then I'm going to hold it until it goes up to 55. And I will get out of it then. I never hold on to a stock thinking that's going to go up and set all new highs. If you're into tech stocks, you know, to the moon meme stocks, more power to you. But I'm in and out. Trading the gaps is worked for me. I protect my profits. I know when to buy, when not to buy, looking at all my technicals and everything. So this is just, if this is your first time to my channel, you just got baptized. I've shown you the way. Now hit that subscribe button and follow us on Twitter for pictures like this and all the other social media. There's plenty of it out there. See ya.